Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome along to another video. Today, I'm combining punk and electro. It's been done before. It's gonna be fucking raw, aggressive, and edgy. I'm gonna slam the two styles together. Fingers crossed it goes well. Got a guitar, gonna shred. I'm not gonna shred, I can't play for shit. I've already pre-programmed some drums in because they take the longest. It would have been like 3/4 of a video of me just doing the drums. But I wanted to spend that time jamming guitar riffs and making crazy basses and then slamming them through like Trash 2 and shit like that. So it's gonna be a good time. So to give you an idea of what punk and EDM together sounds like. More kind of screechy, got guitars, got a thumping EDM 4 to the floor banging rhythm. It's so EDM but so punkish at the same time. And last example, this is the kind of style I'm hoping to get with this tune slash video. Big old chugging guitar riffs and... Anyway, here's my drums so far. I'm gonna have a little intro here. Nothing too crazy. Breakdown. And then crazy ass build up, hopefully. Yeah, it's gonna be fucking wild. I can't wait. First things first, guitar. Load up, input 1. Sick. Oh shit. Fuck. That was off as fuck. Well, that is shitloads of material to work with. Alright, so I'm gonna skip the boring bit of me editing and fast forward to the next bit. Part 2. As you can see, there's been quite a few changes. I said I was gonna edit a lot of the guitars. Wasn't lying. Quantizing and editing, that is mainly what's been happening. Just to make sure my playing isn't shit and everything's in time, obviously. So I've got 4 different channels, each with a different guitar tone. Basically consolidated all my ideas of jamming random shit and then structuring them into an intro, build up, chorus, and then chorus section 2, I guess. So yeah, this is what I got up to. Main intro. Nothing too crazy, gets to the section. Not too sure about that a little bit. Chunky sub bass, serum bass, distortion under that. Will sound good. Little chops for the next section, as you'll hear when it comes in. So many different basses. It's gonna be like complete shit almost. Not sure about this bit. Let's create some chunky basses. Poor CPU. Lost 2, 99. Fat rack 1. Oh, it's F. Alright. Thinking what else we need is it to do some do instead of a long consistent note. So arpeggiator instead of drawing that into MIDI, and eighths. Perfect. Can't wait to introduce more basses. It's gonna sound so good. Anyway, this bit. Long consistent notes here, so it does the kind of chugging power chord along with the guitar. This bass again, this is going to be the long, this is going to be the guitar mimic, so mimic. Okay, we want arpeggiator off. 98, was that too much? Wait, nah, it can go low, it can go low. Yeah, the bottom is negative 12 semitones. Hopefully this should like drop it down to the right note. The thing is, guys, I'm just gonna keep fucking going until I get it. Fuck that shit, let's go. The bass needs to change here because it's just not being that creative. Quickly high pass this up. I think we need to introduce some ting there. Yes, F, so that should be 3 down, in it. We need like a screechy guitar lead for maybe the intro. I want one of those, and I want one of these. Don't say it, don't say it, don't say it, don't say it.
These nuts.
Got him. Yeah. Wait for it. We haven't even added OTT yet. Oh, that's great. That's probably a big fail, but you know, we're gonna try it anyway. That's so distorted shit. Hopefully Ableton saves this. Good job, Ableton. I'm pretty chuffed with that. I reckon that's a good start for an intro. Still need some Atmos. Maybe I'll chuck in some samples in the background just to help kind of fill it up. Well, that sounds good in that section. Okay, let's move on into the drop. The stressful part, but it should be very rewarding once we get it packed down. Actually, that kind of works. Anyway, analog, standard saw. I'm going to correct my standard sub. Sine wave, amp up. Oscillator down on the keyboard, overdrive. There we go. I feel like that somebody's already taken that and it's a quite well-known song. Does anybody own rhythms though? I don't know. Okay, might be two serums going over. That's a sick lead. Ooh! Ooh! That sounds fucking sick. We need to group these together and probably add even more sidechain, since all the distortion we're throwing at it is probably adding even more tail, which is kind of like not letting us sidechain properly. I'm so tempted to just go like Fat Rack 1 because it's the exact sound I kind of want, but it means like most of this video is me just chucking a Fat Rack on it, even though it's amazing. And that's free, link in the description, but it's just on everything. It's so gritty! It has so much mids, it's ridiculous. This is some classic synthesizing shit. Chuck this one an octave up. So. This could be sick. Anyway, chuck that in here. I want the same EQ curve for that because I don't want the sub bass. It hasn't been easy, guys. It hasn't been easy. We want a fair... Actually, we want this pretty wide. We'll go... No. Yeah, when your sub bass is wide, fuck yeah. Okay, does this work well with this? That's starting to sound alright. Don't know where I'm going to chuck it, but I want to use it somewhere. Still needs to be wider. I'm trying to figure out what that missing something is for the drop. It's so close. It just needs something. And it turns out that something will be 3 something. So it is pretty much done now. I haven't done that much to it, but I'll tell you the 3 somethings. The first one being turned up the open hi-hat. The second something is to add in like a siren in the background. And you know, just adds to the background effects and elements, how it fill out the spectrum even more. And the third something was to tidy up the bass a bit more. It's getting a little bit messy. Now it sounds really cohesive and glued together. So I guess that means it's time to play it start to finish. Here we go from the top. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this random ass video. A hodgepodge of recordings over like 4 days to try and get it right, but I think it's sounding pretty tasty in the end. Well, until next time guys, Ozon's on the master. Let's play it from start to finish. Here we go. Head's gonna get sore. Yeah! Maybe I should finish it. I don't know. Maybe.